Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question, which is 20 minus 4 square divided by 4. If you have already solved this, go in the comment and comment your answer. I will give them heart. Okay. And those who fail to solve, I will solve stepwise with the help of PEMDAS. So first what we have given 4 minus 40 square divided by 4. First we will solve here the exponential part. 20 minus 4 times 2, that means 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. Here 4 square, which becomes 16 divided by 4. Now 20 minus, when we divide 16 with 4, we will get 4. And in the next step, when we subtract 4 from 20, what we get? 16. So here answer is 16. If you want more math videos like this, then subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.